This is Mahmoud and Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. First, I will start drawing from the top view. First, I will draw a rectangle of this size, which will be 200 minus 20 by 150 unit length. After that, I will cut this extra portion from the rectangle. Then I will extrude boss it to 40. Okay. First, now select the top plane. Now select sketch. Now select center rectangle. Now point the rectangle into origin and now dimension it. 150 by 200 minus 20. After that, I will draw this portion which has a dimension of 30 and an inclined dimension of 15, and this 30 unit dimension is 30 unit dimension is 15 unit apart from the vertical line. So I will point out this by smart dimension it 15 unit. Now select line and draw a horizontal line of 30 unit. Now draw the inclined line. This inclined line has a horizontal dimension of 15 unit. Now press OK. Now I will draw this rectangle, which is apart from which is has a length of 200 minus 20 minus 75 and a vertical distance of 150 minus 15 and minus 20. So I will select the corner rectangle. Before that, I will first draw this distance, which is 15 plus 20, 35. So I am pointing that distance. Now select smart dimension and dimension it 15 plus 20. Okay. Now press OK. Now select the corner rectangle, and after selecting the corner rectangle, dimension it 150 minus 20 minus 15 from this side, and other side also have the same dimension minus 20 minus 15, and the horizontal distance will be 200 minus our previous 20 and the other 75. Okay. Now select the circle and draw a circle. Now trim all the unnecessary part. I am trimming out all the unnecessary part. Okay. Now press OK. Yes, here we can see we also have the same shape in this side also. So I will draw a center line and mirror this part to this side. Now select center line and draw a center line. After that, go to mirror entities and select the entities you want to mirror. I will select this two line and mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Now select the trim entities and trim all the unnecessary part. Press OK. Now I will isometric it. As you can see, it has a extrude boss of 40. So I will extrude boss 20 in upper side and also extrude boss 20 in the lower side. So go to extrude boss in direction 1, dimension it 20, and now go to select direction 2 and dimension it 20. Now total extrude boss will be 40. Now press OK. After that, here we can see this surface has a fillet. This total surface has a fillet. So I will do a fillet for this. So go to fillet option. Now select 20. Select this line and also select the lower line, which will give a fillet of 40 altogether. Now press OK. In here we haven't drawn this part. So before drawing this part, I will first draw this quarter circular profile by using the revolve boss. So now select this face and now select sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select this line and convert into this. Now select the line and close the surface. I will use this profile to draw a revolve boss. So select revolve boss. Now axis of revolution, select this line, and as we can see we will revolve it 180 degree. So select this 180 degree. Now press OK. Again here we can see we have this profile close shape. So I will select this surface and now sketch it. Now select this surface, now convert entities, now go to features and extrude boss, and this surface will be extrude boss with the same length as this surface. So I will select up to surface and select this surface. Now press OK. As we have drawn this part in this side, it also have same part in other side also. So I will do the same thing again. So I will select this face, now sketch, now I will normal to it, now select a circular path, now convert entities, now select the line and close the line. Now press OK. After that I will revolve boss it. Go to features and select revolve boss. Now select the axis of rotation. As we know it is 180 degree revolve. Here you can see the revolve is in the inner side. So if you want, we need revolve for outer side. So I will change the reverse direction. Now press OK. After that select this surface and now sketch. Now select convert entities. Now select features and extrude boss and select up to surface, up to this surface. Now press OK. Now here we can see we have another rectangular type shape here and here. If we want to draw these two rectangular shape in our 3D object in minimal little size, we can, as it is a solid surface, so we can draw a entirely full rectangular surface so that it will be covered up inside the solid surface. So we don't need to draw two little rectangular surface because it is a solid surface. I will draw a single rectangular profile like this one, and this rectangle has a dimension of 50 by 150, and it is apart from horizontal side of 50 unit, and its extrude boss will be 20. So I will draw it from the top plane and extrude boss it to 10 unit in from both sides, so it will be extrude boss of 20. So I will select the top plane. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. Now select corner rectangle. After that point the corner rectangle and dimension it 150 by 50. Now go to smart dimension and it is apart from 50 unit. So select this line and dimension it 50 unit. Now isometric it, go to features and extrude boss. In the direction 1 I will select 10 unit, and in the direction 2 I will select 10 unit. So it will be total dimension of 20 unit. Okay. Now after that I will draw the center part, the center, this part. In here I will use the revolve boss method, so I will draw this half part. So I will first draw a rectangle with rectangle, then I will flip this rectangle in this side and draw a semicircle in other side, then I will revolve boss it. So I will draw it from the top plane, uh, top plane. And first of all I want to say, as I will first draw a rectangle, the rectangle size will be, we can see the radius of the semicircle is 30, so this part will be 30, and this part will be 200 minus 75. Okay. Now select the top plane. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. Select the corner rectangle and point the rectangle to the center of the our previous semicircle. And now dimension it. Dimension it 30 by 200 minus 75. Now press OK. Now we will flip this 20 unit in this side. So select fillet and select 20 unit and select this point. Now press OK. For drawing this quarter circle, I will first draw a circle and then I will trim as I need. So I will draw a circle, then closing the circle profile. Okay. Now I select the trim option. Now I will trim all the unnecessary part. Now isometric it. Now go to features and select revolve boss and select the axis of revolution, this one, 360 degree. Now press OK. As we can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.